Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Minimum operations to make a uni-value grid. Now, we are given with a 2D integer grid of size m by n and an integer x. So, in one operation, you can add x or subtract x from any element in the grid. So, if I add 2 as x value is 2, if I add 2 to the 4, then it would be counted as one operation. A uni-value grid is a grid where all the elements of it are equal. Return the minimum number of operations to make the grid uni-value. If it is not possible, return -1. So let us look at the first example here. Here I have 2, 4, 6, 8 as the values. I have took the values as given in the order. Now, let me tell you how can I get this. So, you might be asking, can I make this as 3? Let us see. Let us see, can I make it as 3? Or can I make 5? Or can I make 7? Now, these, I assume that these are the values that I can make. Now, 2 is the value given, 4 is the value given, 6 is the value given, 8 is the value given. Now, x is given as 2. Now, can I make 8 to 5? No, right? So, in order to make 8 to 5, I need x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1. Now, how can I know that x is equal to only 3, then only I can make this 8 to 5, or x is equal to 1, then only I can make 8 to 5. So, here 5 is not given in the matrix. Instead, I am considering whether I can make 8 to 5. So, imagine they also given this 5, they also given this 5 and also 7. Imagine your grid as 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and the x value given is 2. Now, imagine these are the given elements. Now, in order to make 8 to 5, I need x value as 3 or 1. Now, how can I know? My first question is, how can I know I can't make values equal? So how can I know that? So imagine these are the array elements or matrix elements. So in order to make 2 comma 4, from 2 to 4 I can add or subtract 2. So in order to make 2 to 4, the difference would be 2. Then only I can make 2 to 4. In order to make 2 to 6, I could get difference is 2. No. 6 minus 2 is 4, which is divided, when divided by 2 will give me 0. Now 6 by 2 will also give me a remainder of 0. 2 by 2 also give me a remainder of 0. So that's why I will check. So this is the whole intuition for this question. I will check whether all elements are divided by x and the remainder is same. The remainder should be same, not 0. The remainder is not expected to be 0, but instead it should be same. But why? Let me tell you. Here I have given it 3, 5, 7, 9. Let us see, can I make this grid equal? So if this is the array given or grid values given to me, and x value, wait a second, and x value is given to me as 2. Now let me take 3 by 2. 3 by 2 gives me a remainder of 1. 5 by 2 gives me a remainder of 1. 7 by 2 also gives me a remainder of 1. 9 by 2 also gives me a remainder of 1. So I am assuming that this will be getting a uni value. So I can make this 3 to 5 by adding 2 for one time. I can make 7 to 5 by subtracting 2 for one time. I can make 9 to 5 by removing 4 from 9. So I am adding or subtracting value of 2 to any element. So that's why I will check whether all the elements are divided by x and the remainder is same. Then only I can make this grid elements as equal. Now let us take the example given in the question instead of our example 2, 4, 6, 8. So if I take these elements as the uni-value elements, now I need to get what is the element that I am looking for. Either is it 4 or is it 6 or is it 8 or is it 2. So let us check it. How can I select a number for uni-value? Here the x value is given as 1. Now, imagine writing something like 1, 5, 2, 3. You shouldn't be so much dumb that you won't be knowing that here I can make these array elements sorted. So, what is the value that can I get for uni value? Now, if I write this in a sorted manner, then I would get something like 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5. But why I am doing this? So if I do this, then I can select the value which is in the mid position, or this could be my position. You might be asking that why this can also be an answer, why this also can be an answer. So let us check that with this example given to us. So if I take this element as the uni-value, then also, or this element as a uni-value, then also I can get the same answer. 2 plus 2 will be giving 4 as the value. 6 minus 2 will be giving 4 as the value. 8 minus 2 for one time and 2 times. So totally 4 operations. Imagine I have took 6 as the uni value, then 2 to 4 one operation, 4 to 6 another operation, 4 to 6 one operation, 8 to 6 another operation, totally 1 2 3 4, totally 4 operations. So I will take the mid values, either the first one or the second one will be the uni value. So this is how you select a number for uni value. Now you might be asking, so I have selected, wait a second, I have selected this uni value. Now how can I get total number of operations? So instead of worrying about it, simply take out this element firstly. Selected element selected element is 2. Selected element is 2. Now I would remove 2 minus 1 will be giving 1. So 1 by 1 is the number of operations I need. 1 by 1 will be giving me 1 as the output. Then 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 will also give me 1, and 1 by 1 will be giving me 1 as the output. 5 and 2. The difference is 3. So 3 by 1 will be giving me 3 as output. So that's how you solve this problem. First thing which I need to do, but if I write an algorithm. Now I need to do first thing, sort. Take grid elements and sort them and the second thing, select the element. But before that I need to do one thing. I need to return minus 1 if the reminders are not equal. But do I need to check this before selecting an element? So here one, wait a second. Here 1 is the element. So instead of checking with 1, why shouldn't I select the element first? As I have already sorted, I would select this element and check whether the reminders are same or not. You can write this after selecting the element or before selecting the element. So I would select the element first. I would select the element first. Then I would return 1 if the reminders are not equal. Now, after that, I need to do one thing. So, count will be equal to 0. Then I would increment the count plus is equal to it of. So, I would be iterating from for it in given elements. So I would give this elements as the name, elements vector as the name of elements. So after that, count plus is equal to, let me move this a little bit. So count plus is equal to it by, so instead which would be something like absolute difference of selected element minus it by what are we dividing with? This is 1. That means I am dividing with x value. So, so it would be by x. So count plus is equal to absolute difference of selected element minus it, the element we are iterating with. So after that, after this iteration, return count. So this is how you solve this problem. So if I go through the third example which is given to me, this violates the condition that 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am selecting the element first. So element is selected. Now here 2 by 2 2 by 2 will give me a reminder of 0, but 1 by 2 is giving me a reminder of 1. So here itself I will return minus 1. So this is how you solve this problem. This is the code, and if you want the submission link, it is in the description. Go and check it. And if you like this video, do share it to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.